If you're wondering if the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G support gyroscope or not, so in this video I will answer this question. Now in front of me I have the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G and this tablet supports gyroscope. Now if I open the web browser app on my tablet, now in the search bar let's search this. Now just open Samsung's official website. Now as you can see, this is the page for the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G. Now let's go to the specs section. And over here, just tap on sensors. And in the sensors section, it is mentioned that this tablet supports gyro sensor, which means that the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G supports gyroscope. But the Galaxy Tab A9 does not have the gyro sensor. As I open another tab, now in the search bar, let's search this. Now just open Samsung's official website. Now as you can see, this is the page for the normal Galaxy Tab A9. And if I go to the specs section, in the specs section, just go to the sensor section. And as you can see, under the sensor section, the gyro sensor is not mentioned, which means that the normal Galaxy Tab A9 does not have the gyro sensor. You can even test if your tablet supports gyro or not using an app from the Google Play Store. For that, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, just search Sensors Test. Now just install this app on your tablet. After that, just open it. Now in this app, just tap on Test in front of the gyroscope. Now if your tablet supports gyroscope, this graph will work if you move your tablet around. But if your tablet does not have the gyro sensor, it will say at the top of the screen that your tablet does not have this sensor. As you can see, the gyro sensor on our tablet is working. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.